Good morning, welcome back to Shah Chains. This is about delivery call. Today's delivery is you can buy United Breweries, you can accumulate it. Right now it's trading around 750 rupees. The target for this stock is 1060 rupees to 1200 and 1500 in next 1 to 2 years. The stock is having excellent support around 666 rupees. If that is cut, the stock can tumble towards 500 rupees. So you can accumulate between 756 to 500 rupees. Once 666 is cut, the stock can fall very heavily. Right now, the stock is trading above 200-day moving average. On Friday, the stock moved with a humongous volume, almost 10 times of the normal volume. First, we'll see about 52-week high and 52-week low. 52-week high and a lifetime high is close to 1024 rupees. And 52-week low is close to 520 rupees. Now we'll see about the company. It is having a market cap of close to 19,900 crores. PE ratio is 102, which is very high. Industry PE is close to 77. Book value comes around 55 rupees. So price to book is 13. This is also very high. Price to cost is close to 54.6. EPS is close to 7.3. Face value is close to 1 rupee. We'll see about holding capacity. Who and all holds this stock, how much promoters are holding. Promoters are holding close to 74%. FIs are holding close to 18.7%. DIs are holding very less, 0.1%. Others are holding close to 6.29%. The stocks trades between 530 rupees to 1,600 and 925 rupees in the past 1 year. It goes to 530, from 1,000, then 600 and 925. So it's getting a support around 600 rupees, excellent support. And it is facing some sort of a resistance between 925 to 1,000 rupees. Once 1,000 is cut, you can see a big up move in the stock. So start to accumulate between 756 to 600 rupees. That is close to a 20% fall from the peak. So you can start to accumulate rather than buying the stock. Have a time period of 2 years in the stock, so you can accumulate nicely the stock. Once the 925 mark is cut, you can have a big up move, that is close to 1,000 to 1,060 rupees. Once 1,060 is cut, which is almost its lifetime high, it can move to any level. 1,500, it can move very fast. Delivery percentage in the stock is not more than 13 to 15% of the total volume of trading. Everyday volume of trading is not close to 2,20,000. On Friday, the volume is boosted to close to 14 lakhs of trades, and 13 to 14% is the delivery volume. Start accumulated. It's into beverage counter similar to United Spirits and Tilak Nagar Industries. Very good company. It's into a very good market also. Fundamentally, the company is strong. It's not weak. Now, the stock is into accumulation zone. A lot of people have started to buy it. Have a target in your mind. Suppose in 1 year you want 20%. You stock from 756. You start to accumulate it, and the stock moved close to 900 rupees. Exit the stock. And if you get it this in 1 month itself 20%, you can book it. Safe players can book it and move to another stock. And if you want to do investments, you can start accumulating it. For more, visit our website www.shahjain.com, or you can post your queries in YouTube itself.